Everything happens for a reason.
To us romantics out here, that amounts to high treason.
Well, I'm going for you, star-crossed lovers.
The skeptic is a question that still hovers near.
For it begs the question, how did I ever find you? Now you got me writing love songs with a common refrain like this one.